Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the 5 best tips and tricks to fix iPhone photos disappeared from the camera roll issues. Photos disappearing from the iPhone camera roll is a common but frustrating problem. It can happen due to iCloud sync problems, storage optimization settings, accidental deletion, or even software glitches. Thankfully, there are some pretty handy solutions that can help you resolve this annoying problem and restore the disappeared photos in the camera roll. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to check the recently deleted album. Note that sometimes photos disappear simply because they were deleted accidentally. iOS keeps deleted photos for up to 30 days, giving you time to recover them before permanent removal. Therefore, launch the Photos app on your iPhone. And then you have to head over to the album section and scroll down and tap on recently deleted folder. Then you have to look for missing photos or videos. And then you have to hit the recover option to restore all the accidentally deleted photos. Next up, I will recommend you to make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled on your device. Note that if iCloud Photos is disabled or not syncing properly, photos may vanish from your camera roll. iCloud Photos keeps your images synced across devices, and if syncing is disabled, photos may not appear locally on your device. So head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to hit the Apple ID banner at the top. After that, choose iCloud, and then you have to head over to the photo section. And now ensure that sync this iPhone or iPad or iCloud Photos option is enabled. Then I will recommend you to disable optimize iPhone or iPad storage option. Note that Apple may remove full resolution photos from your device to save space. When optimize storage option is enabled, photos may seem missing even though they are stored in iCloud. It's also important to point out that downloading originals restores them to your camera roll. So head over to the Settings app on your device. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Apps option. Then you have to tap on Photos, and under iCloud Photo section, select Download and Keep Originals option. Then I will recommend you to check Hidden Photos folder on your device. It's worth pointing out that photos can be hidden accidentally with just a few taps. That's why hidden photos don't appear in the camera roll, making it look like they have suddenly disappeared. So head over to the Photos app on your device and then go to the hidden folder. After that, use Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to unlock the hidden folder. Then you have to select Photos and hit the Unhide option. After that, you have to restart your device and check if photos have returned in the camera roll. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your device because I suspect that the issue has been caused by a random software glitch or a random bug. Therefore, updating the software in this situation is the best bet. So head over to the Settings app on your iPhone and choose General. After that, select Software Update, and then you have to go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS if you're using an iPad, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix photos suddenly disappear from the camera roll on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully, you have managed to fix this annoying problem, and now your beloved photos have finally returned in a camera roll. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.